welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. As you can see, we are at the house because I procrastinate a lot. So, yeah, today's Saturday. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Yay! Anyways, tonight we are going to be doing some practice work on creating a bezel. So basically now that I'm home, I got the stones that I needed for my next project, but I'm not going to start that project quite yet so that I can get some practice in and be able to have enough time to be able to work on that properly. So tonight's going to be a bit of a practice run, so to say. I've got these here shells that I think I'm going to be cutting up and using. So I'm going to be doing a few cuts, making simple shapes out of them. I might end up just doing one, depending on how long this takes. Because, again, I am home and I'm trying to do this whole, not work at home thing on my one day off. So I might just end up doing one, but I want to go through the process of marking out what shape I want and then cutting it and then doing a bezel, cutting the bezel and soldering that and then making this into a pendant or something like that. You can put it on a ring, bracelet, if you wanted like a bangle type pin, something like that, or even an amulet. Now this is wampum. Well, technically it's not because it's not purple. But I do have wampum in here. It's just the white stuff, unfortunately. But I've got a bunch of shells that I can use. I just got a bunch of shells from Florida that I'm planning on using eventually. So I don't think I'm going to be using these. Maybe. This one looks kind of good. Maybe I'll use this one. In any case, let's get started. Alright, well, we've gotten a decent amount in. This is telling me that the next project is going to be a challenge. That's what this is telling me. Besides the fact that I completely forgot all of my pliers. That's all with my chainmail stuff. And I forgot that bag. So I've literally been, like, using tweezers and stuff to try to mold the metal. But, we've got 2 out of the 3 sides done. I think next week we'll do the 3rd side, clean it up, and put in this setting. It's not a colorful stone. It's not even a stone, it's a shell. But I think it's going to polish up real nice. So unfortunately, that is all the time that I am going to be able to use. Just because this is taking me a lot longer than I thought it would. So next week we're going to be finishing this up, setting it, and putting a bail on it, or whatever they call it. I forgot what they call it. Cleaning it up, of course, and putting something to put, like, an amulet on, so you can put a string through. And, of course, polishing. That's going to be important. So, unfortunately, like I said, that is all we can get through for tonight. And if you like this episode, hit the like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell if you haven't done so already. If you have, let me know down in the comments. I had fun making what we have gotten made today. And I hope that you guys had fun watching. But I hope that I see you all next week. So, have a wonderful evening.